AI changing the hacking forever. Not only hacking, it is also changing the cybersecurity domain. As you can see, I have one recent incident that I want to tell you guys. In September 2025, this is what actually happened. A group of hackers pointed an AI at 30 companies worldwide, and they are automated their own workflow with the AI models, AI models, AI agents, what you can say, everything. But AI did everything like a reconnaissance, vulnerability scanning, breaking, and stealing the data, all by itself only, all automatically. There is no human interaction with that AI model or anything. All the workflow and work things are done by the AI only. My name is Sunil, and this is the AI Red. Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what is happening in a cybersecurity. Three things that you need to know about cybersecurity right now, how it is changing with respect to AI, and how the hackers are using it, how the defenders are using it, and with respect to that, how that will impact your career in future. That is all things. This video I'm going to tell you. Like before, there is no manual Nmap scan, no manual network analyzers, because AI is arrived for you. Let's get started with first one. How the hackers are using AI right now. Okay, there are three main things that are hackers are using AI for: to scam a people, to make a fraud, blackmail, to write some malicious emails and all. First one is a phishing. You cannot detect it, cannot. Okay. The thing is here is AI is used to write the emails, letters, and send the realistic fake messages. It is also called as a hyper personalized phishing. The attack rate of this AI phishing is 73% right now. And the second one is deepfake voice fraud. By cloning the voice of the real person, hacker use that real voice and it looks like a same exact real person voice. And they trick the targets. That's it. There are 25 million dollars are stolen from a single call in a Hong Kong. The third one is autonomous AI hacking agents. As you all know, all the scans, finding the vulnerabilities and exploiting them all happens by automatically by AI agent nowadays. Nowadays, AI agent can break the system and breach the data in a 1.2 hours. Don't even need the human interactions. If you just give a domain name or a target IP addresses, it will automatically find the vulnerabilities and exploit them, and they can have the ability to steal the data, and that will breach automatically in dark web, or else it will send to that hacker. Let's move to the other side of this hacking and all. That's nothing but the defensive side. How the and security professional is going to fight back with AI and remediate the all the coming threats, especially the phishing and deepfake videos or deepfake fraud, voice clones and all in this whole company. Okay, there are a few tools that have discovered by the some security professionals or the some companies that are came into the right now into the market, and these are the three tools which have came into the market. First one is a dark trace. Second one is a Microsoft security, Microsoft Copilot. You know, right? Copilot, Microsoft Copilot for the security purpose, and this is SNE. Okay, next, let's move to the next. Okay, as a beginner, you need to understand that you have to shift yourself to the this AI era, which is going to start in future. Although it is already started, but for your future, you need to start learning AI tools and using AI tools inside the hacking tools. You can use that. Okay, here is a quick small roadmap where you will understand that what to read as a beginner. Okay, first thing you need to understand and you need to complete the network basics to the advance. Okay, and along with that, research online for some free resources, free certifications, which is authorized by the some companies like a Cisco. Cisco is there. Easy Council also provides some free courses right now. Okay, all employees are the like working professionals right now tell that hands-on experience is the only one thing that you are going to get into the IT field. Okay, without hands-on experience, you will not going to the interviewer or the company recruiters will not going to take you as a any internship or any job like job profiles like a pen tester, security analyst, security researcher. You need to have at least three hands-on experience projects that you have worked on in your resume so that as a beginner they will understand and they will ask some questions related to that one only. Okay, you need to answer them. Okay, comment below if you need any video from my side, like a free courses, free certifications that I have did myself. And second one, use a AI as your study partner. Okay, you have a no choice. You have to use that and learn how to manipulate it and get the information what you have needed for the learning or doing some research. Okay, just comment down what your problems are facing as a beginner. Let me know in a comment section. The third one is understand the both offensive side and defensive side of a security. Okay, there are a lot of what we call AI tools are coming. Those are offensive side also, defensive side also. In defensive side, SOC L1 agents are coming for the SOC L1 team. Okay, from the offensive side, whole workflow agents are coming, like scanning to from scanning to remediation, whole workflow. Okay, finding the vulnerabilities, exploiting them, and patching them, and also giving the report back to the organization. These are the things what are happening in offensive side, especially what we say we have to move with the situations which is right now happening in this IT industry right now. AI is changing so much. As I say, starting that AI hackers are setting up fielding for us, and we have to win this game. So use AI, generate some tools by using them. Like there are so much of vibe coding tools are came into the market that anti-gravity is a cursor is a replit is a okay. So you have to use AI. There is no options at all. Okay. And in upcoming sessions for beginners, I have some surprises videos like how you can use AI inside the tools, how you can use AI inside the Kali Linux machines and all. So for that, if you are interested to learn the AI security or AI related to red team especially, okay, please do subscribe to the channel and comment down what is surprised you till now in AI revolution, especially in cybersecurity. Okay, see you in the next video.